Okay, in this video, I'm going to try to show my Edpuzzle project. It's not the greatest, but I learned a lot, so here it is. I'll start it from the beginning.
This is a story of a man doing good and learning how to be better.
You're like looking your spit around.
He's learning how to find two drumsticks to give to dogs, how to give money to the poor, even though people don't like that. Notice how much money the man gives and what will happen to the family later. He's learning to give his seat up, give up his food. He lives a poor life and doesn't have very much. He won't be famous. No one will know what he's done.
You're like a little fishy up there.
Okay, so like you said, not perfect, but what I would do from here to meet the requirements as listed here is I finish, add class. So I could say, just for fun, we'll say this is my MTC class. And I think one of the requirements is disable skipping of the video. So I will just go ahead and do that and then create a due date. We'll say the due date is a week from today. And then I will assign. And then I think the last thing that I have to do, progress and export scores. Let's see. And then this is how I would do that. I'd go to gradebook. There we go.